Alrighty guys, here we go, back at it. Just a little update on the 2026 GMC. Check this out. We finished the emblem installation. These are pretty easy, guys. I mean, you gotta have somewhat of a knowledge to put these on, but pretty much they're nothing crazy to install. This was the part number for this particular truck. Okay, so we got the driver's side all done. These are the original fender flares. And we're installing the color match fender flares with the blacked out LED lights, like so here. Pretty great little turnout it's gonna be. All right, so not only are we installing the fender fender flares, we're also doing the mud flap delete. Let me just show you guys here. These are the original mud flaps from GM, right? They're kind of big and bulky. I forgot which side is what. And these are the rough country mud flaps delete kit. So it's pretty cool. This one's for the front. You do have to modify your truck just a bit, guys. You gotta cut just a little bit off that top to make that front one fit. But looks really good. We primered and secured everything so that way, you know, there's no rust or any kind of problems. We finished up the driver's side. Look at how much of a clearance you get now with these mud flap delete kit from Rough Country. The LED lights, everything looks really well. The back one as well. These back ones are just pretty much remove and reinstall the new ones, so they're nothing too crazy. The front ones are not crazy neither. You just got to cut a little bit, but you got to make sure you have all the right tools to do the job, right? We finished installing the cab lights. We decided to do the kill switch on it, so we're going to go ahead and add the kill switch. Let me show you guys though how this side looks with those LEDs. That looks pretty cool. I like that look. Cab lights installed, the front emblem done, and then this is what the original side looks like here. So we're gonna go ahead and turn this truck around and start deleting this side. I already did the driver's side, so this side should be pretty fair and square. Should be pretty easy. Let's go ahead and knock it out, and I'll show you guys tomorrow morning how everything looks.